let's talk about a huge, hidden bottleneck that slows down modern databases.
It's this weird paradox, right? You add more power, but things actually get slower.
Think of it like a traffic jam inside your database. Everyone's stuck in the same lane.
And you know what makes it worse? All those fancy multi-core processors we have now?
And this chart shows it perfectly. Look how throughput just tanks after 40 cores.
So why does this happen? It's the cost of keeping everything in sync. It's just too much.
Databases basically have two ways to fight this: lock everything down, or just hope for the best.
First up, locking. MongoDB, for example, uses a really clever multi-level locking system. It uses shared, exclusive, and even intent locks to manage access from the top down.
Now, on the optimistic side, Postgres uses something called MVCC instead of locking reads.
But this approach has a big trade-off. More data safety can actually mean less speed.
And you can really see it here. Getting perfect data integrity tanks your transactions per second.
So if both methods have a cost, how do we actually go faster? Well, it's a new approach.
It's all about shrinking the contention footprint, basically the time a transaction holds onto data.
And the way to do that is with something called deterministic and lazy execution. It's clever.
First, it just logs a promise to do the work. The heavy lifting, that happens later.
The result? Client latency drops by over 10 times, because you get an answer like now. By shrinking that footprint, systems can finally get around that pesky multi-core performance problem.
So, the big takeaway is this: the future isn't about more power, it's about less conflict.
It's like the quote says, less is more. By being smarter, we unlock a whole new speed.